Hey y'all, I'm back with my second entry into my birthday anniversary challenge. This one comes from Miss Sheila with Country Girl First. So, I don't want to show her information. I have not taken a peek. I have no clue of what's in here. I've only opened the package. So what I'm going to do is pull everything out. Oh my. Okay, yeah, she put everything in one bag. So that's awesome. Oh, there's my memory decks. Okay. Your crafty creation. Awesome. Thank you for labeling that. Oh my goodness. How could this not be the crafted creation? Look at that. That is so awesome. How pretty. That's a card. Oh my gosh. It's for the contest. Miss Corman, happy birthday, happy anniversary. In other words, happy everything. I love that. Hope you like what I made for you. Hugs and crafty kisses. Sheila, Country Girl First. Country Girl First is where you will find her here on YouTube. Her link will be down in the description. And how awesome is that card? Absolutely gorgeous. And it says sweet. Am I sweet? Sometimes, sometimes not. And I'm guessing she made this envelope. So we'll start here. Oh, I'm loving the sparkles. Oh my gosh. I love this plaid. I love plaid, y'all. I love all that. Tape rulers and measurements. And it says tenderness. And it has like a postcard and a stamp. And of course sparkly. That feels like a wood chip piece butterfly. And layered heart with a little blue heart in the center. Heart. Layered flower with a little blue heart in the center. Is that not pretty? Oh, and the little lace that with the little tags. And then she added some little lace down here. Oh, so she left it blank so I can use it. Oh, thank you, sweetheart. I love this. I love everything about it. And I love the Velcro on the back. Doesn't it make life so much easier? So much easier. Excuse me. Thank you so much, my sweet, sweet friend, for entering my challenge. I'm going to set this aside so nothing happens to it and we can take a good look. Let's start with your crafty creation. Let's see. Oh. I'm going to make sure there's nothing else in there. Okay. I didn't think so, but oh my. Y'all, if y'all have not seen her artwork, y'all need to go check that out. She does some of the most amazing work. Sometimes I'm going to lay it down because sometimes when I lay things down, you get to get a better picture of it. And I'm going to bring it up and I'll try to make sure you get a good close-up of it. But the way she does her fall trees, I mean, she's just super, super talented. It's got her initials right there. How awesome is that? I am so proud and so honored to own a piece of her artwork. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. And then it opens up to that. I love it. This is not going anywhere. This is staying in my craft room. I love it so much. So thank you. Thank you. And then this is her memory decks. So let's just see. It is definitely, okay, her information's closed. Oh my. Is that not so pretty? She used the blue floral paper, which, you know, I am so in love with. And then she's got an embellished clothespin. Do y'all see that? I'm hoping I'm giving it justice. I'm recording in the afternoon, so it makes it much difficult when you don't have bright light anymore. during the day. But, oh my gosh, it's just, I mean, look, do you see that itty bitty? Let's see, is it going to focus? Let me put it back in the center. Maybe it will. I'm not sure. Maybe if I move my hand. That itty bitty butterfly. My goodness, on top of an itty bitty heart. Girl, I love that. Oh. This flower, I can tell. Correct me if I'm wrong. These are lilies back here. Oh my gosh. Lilies. I'm not even going to go into it other than my daughter's name is Lily. And she's named after the lily because it's not only my favorite flower, it's my mother's. And I lost my mother at a very young age. I was only 12, but my mother loved tiger lilies, and we had them. She always had them planted. And so lilies have become a thing. And since I already had 2 nieces that were named after my mother, I decided to become creative in memory of my mother and name my youngest baby girl Lily because it was her favorite flower. Oh, I love that. That actually means so much to me. Pure and simple. And she's got all these pretty flowers. And you know I love me some sparkle with the sequin flower. Love it. And definitely, of course, the blue. And then she's got this tucked back here with some cute little lace and all the blingy sparkle. You know how I feel about that. So I'm going to let y'all see that for a minute while I open this up and read her information. She is, of course, like I had mentioned, country girl first. And her birth date is October the 9th. I'm not going to say the year. Her favorite color is all colors. Her favorite candy is peanut M&Ms. I'm fixing to read ahead of myself. And her $5 crafty item is stickers, paper, anything. I'm not picky about much in life. And I could see that. She is just a happy-go-lucky person. She seems to just enjoy life as it is and accept everyone for who they are. And I absolutely love that about her. And I love that I get a little piece of not only her information, but definitely a piece of her artwork because I love these trees. So thank you. I apologize for my desk, y'all. It has definitely been a busy, crafty day, and I've got a lot more to go. But I needed to make sure I shared this. So this is entry number 2. And Miss Sheila, thank you. From the bottom of my heart, thank you so much. And if you stuck around, I appreciate you for watching because each lady deserves their time to be seen and recognized. And so I appreciate it. And until the next one, I wish you all the best always.